Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Pandora Bracelet Canada Day theme. I love this bracelet design. I finally completed Canada Day themed, Canadian themed bracelet. It was always my goal to do a full moments themed bracelet with Canadian themed inspired charms and pieces. I love Canada, I'm Canadian, and Canada Day, actually I'm filming this the day before Canada Day, which is July 1st. So this will be the bracelet that I'm wearing, as well as this quick little OHM Beads design that I made featuring their maple leaf and two of their glass beads, which I'm hiding it from you, but it's right here. So, but anyway, without further ado, make sure you grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm having some delicious O Canada tea. This tea is so good. It's very Canadian. It's by DAVIDsTEA. I'll actually link it down below if you'd like to try it. And yeah, let's get started. So the first charm I'm going to share with you is the Canadian flag. It is so beautiful. It's done in a little heart-shaped dangle and has the little maple leaf up at the top. I will have all the names of the charms in my blog post that'll be connected to this video. So if you would like to see that, I'll link that link down below in the description bar. But this is a little Canada flag, and what I love is that on the back it says Heart Canada, which I think is just such a cute detail. I really love this little dangle and I love Canada, and as soon as I saw this charm I had to add it to my collection. It's so beautiful. I also have two of the leaf charms. I actually have owned 4 of these, you guys. I love them. I think they're so magical, they're so enchanting, and I love the autumn time, especially in Canada. Our beautiful maple leaves, the leaves falling, it really does make me think of, you know, Canada and all the beauty, but also just of the autumn weather. So I had to add those on here. Moving along, I have 2 heart clips that feature beautiful heart details. They're round and they have cubic zirconia in them, and I just think they look so beautiful. I also actually have 2 of these. I used to only have 1, but I actually have 2 of the maple leaves with the red cubic zirconia. These are, oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. I love the silver and just a little pop of ruby red. So I do have 2 of these. Let me just show you the other one on the bracelet, and oh my gosh, I just think they're so beautiful, and I had to get 2. And you guys know me, I love my symmetry, so I definitely have quite a few doubles on here, but also have some different charms opposite of each other as well. One charm that you've seen in my past Canada Day theme videos, I love doing a Canada Day video, is the Canada 150, and they were, I think, 3 different styles of this. This was my favorite, which was the white enamel with the red, and it says Canada 150 on it. Just a plain bail, and then on the back it has the Pandora logo. You can still find these at some Canadian Pandora stores. Not all stores have them still, but some still do, and I honestly love it. I think it's such a must if you're collecting the Canadian themed charms. I just think it is just so beautiful, and I love the 150 Canada flag. I think that they did such a great job on that, so it looks beautiful. Beside it, I have my red ladybug Murano, and I've always been trying to find, since I got it, a home for it. And what could be better than summertime and those hot, humid weather, depending on where you are in Canada, than this little ladybug little guy to represent that. So it makes me think of Canadian summers. I love the little dot details, and I love that pop of red. Also on here I have the raindrops open work Pandora charm. I believe this is a UK exclusive, and my friend Alina actually was able to get it for me. It just reminds me of rainy weather. Where I live, we get a lot of rain, especially in the autumn and winter. And it also makes me think of the crazy rain we can sometimes get in the humidity in the summertime. So I really love this. It is so beautiful. I love the, hopefully it's focusing there. I love the open work design on that. I think it's just so beautiful. I also have, this is actually a newer purchase. I got it from the outlet. Thanks to my friend Rita, she helped me get it. It's the Inuksuk. It is a beautiful dangle, you guys. I love the little, it almost has like this kind of grayish white detail in it, so you can see the Inuksuk. And then it's just plain on the back, which I sometimes actually really love, because you could engrave it with something meaningful yourself if you wanted to add that. Then on the bail, it has the beautiful touch of cubic zirconia going around it. Then I have my little bow, my bow safety chain on here. So you guys have seen this. This tends to be my holiday theme bracelet. I use it for a lot. It's the Heart Cubic Zirconia Moments bracelet. And I believe I got this one in a size 18 because I always want to add usually I actually use this for my Christmas theme bracelet. And I know I'm always going to want to try to squeeze on a couple more charms. Normally I wear a 17, but just in case I wanted to add a couple more charms on here. Then moving along, I also have the little red mitten with the Canada maple leaf on it. And this is a memory of, for me, of the Olympics. So my husband and I, we went to, I'm going to spoil it right over here, Vancouver, back in, when was that? In 2009, 2010, I can't even remember now. But we went to go see the Winter Olympics and he bought me a pair of these gloves. And it was just so sweet because I had never owned gloves like these and they were just so Canadian. When I think of that, I think of our little road trip because he was working in Calgary at the time. So I flew over, I was in Ontario, I flew over to go visit him. And then we drove up over to Vancouver and we got to see some of the Olympic games going on, the hockey game, and just had so much fun. And that's when we first started dating, was in 2009. So actually, no, 2010 maybe. It was the Olympics. It must have been. I'm so confused. But anyway, that's what this little dangle represents. Again, it just has on the back a smooth little place. So we could engrave it, and maybe I should engrave our initials or something. That might be cute. Also on here, I have the Folklore charm. This is a beautiful glass Murano by Pandora. It's one of my favorite Muranos that Pandora's ever done, and I regret not getting two, but it just reminds me all of the wonderful folk tales and the history of Canada and just so many special stories and things. So it just makes me think of that, and I really, really, really love it. I also have the little heart. Now this reminds me of my guinea pig Harlow. It's the reason why I bought it. But it also makes me think of like Saskatchewan and some of the prairies because of the hay and the grass. But it also represents my little guinea Harlow who I miss. So I added it on here, and I love it on here because it makes me think of Canada, but it also has a wonderful memory attached to it. Then you also already saw it, but I have the Vancouver dangle. It has the gorgeous mountains in the backdrop. It says Vancouver over here. On the front it shows the city. And then on the back it has a little Pandora logo. And then that's basically it for the bracelet. I'm trying to think if I forgot to share a meaning behind anything. I mean, one also special memory about this is that I got the little ladybug Murano with Nicole, my dear friend, my pretty charmed life. And so that's a special memory. And she's the one who kind of convinced me to get one because I kept looking at them and I'm like, I don't know where I'm going to put it. And she's like, you're going to find a place for it. Just get it. So I did. And yeah, that's basically the bracelet. I really love how it's turned out. I'm really excited to wear it for tomorrow. We're actually going to go do a really nice hike. So I'm really looking forward to it. It might rain. Hopefully it doesn't, but that's what I'm going to be wearing. And then another quick little look. So I'm wearing my lucky red. I'm going to like stack these together. And I'm going to wear my lucky red Own Whip bracelet. And then I mentioned before, but I have the coconut jellies, the slim. And oops, sorry, I don't know if it's focusing. There we go. And then the Painting the Roses red, which is from the Alice in Wonderland collection. And I just love it. I love the little touch of red. I have the Maple Leaf by OHM. This is new. It got released in a recent collection. And you could wear it as a pendant. It is beautiful. It has a lovely size. It's big and it's such a nice statement. Sometimes tempted to actually wear this on a necklace, so I might end up changing my mind, but I have to wear the lucky red Own Whip. We'll see what I end up doing. And then I just have the two little glass beads because they make me think of maple syrup, the colors. I don't know if that's just me, but I love the colors. So as mentioned, I am doing a blog post where I'll share all the names and everything of the charms because I'm sure I did not mention some of the names in filming this, so I will link that down below in my description bar so you can check it out. But anyway, that is it for this video. It's a quick one, kind of more casual style filming. Please let me know where you live, what country you are from, down below in the description bar. I'd love to know. And also, if you're Canadian, happy Canada Day. I hope it's a wonderful one and that you all stay safe and that you have a great time. But anyway, you guys, that's it for this video. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, and bye for now.